You've really created a truly innovative movement with your AI on wheels. What started it?
I began with the Education on Wheel, which is a mobile school for underprivileged children almost 16 years back. This bus provides door-to-door education to the children living in the slum, including my city, that is Nasik. I want to do something for them. Swami Vivekananda. He quoted, if the poor child cannot come to the education, then education must reach him at doorstep. And this inspired me, and I started Education on Wheel. We have bought 19,000 out of school children for the mainstream. In the last 16 years, Education on Wheels actively work in the slum. Many reports says that more than 50% grade 6 students have a knowledge of grade 2. This is very shocking. They are unable to read and lack basic foundation literacy. This is alarming. How I moved to AI on Wheel as a very interesting story. I started exploring AI, and when I read a book by Mr. Sal Khan, owner of Khan Academy, his book, How AI Can Revolutionize Education. And this book changed my mindset. So I thought, why not make an AI learning tool bus? And that's how India's first AI on Wheel bus was invented for the underprivileged children. Again, why only underprivileged children? Because I strongly believe that the technology should be used at the grassroots level, as technology brings equality in the society. It does not different between rich or poor. The only issue is that the poor children cannot access technology. And I am proud to say that my bus is the meditator to implement this technology at the grassroots levels.
Can you describe what the bus is like?
See, I have personally designed this AI bus. This is India's first bus which expands beyond its original size. It's a hydraulic system which opens a chassis platform on the left side for better access to the student. This bus is well equipped with the library with more than 100 books, recording studio, 3D printer, 3D pen, more than 20 tabs, smart interactive boards, 2 LED screens, virtual reality set that we call say VR, on the top solar panel on the rooftop. So the student of government school usually not get a platform to express their vocal skill. Hence I install a recording studio in the bus so that this student will get a platform to present their vocal talent. I have made the curriculum of grade 1 and 10 available in 3D VR set. So this bus is also well equipped with the high-speed internet, which is easily accessible during the bus visit in rural area. In India, everywhere is not internet. So this bus across the world, we can connect this with the student through the Zoom or Google Meet. So this bus is completely techno hub in any rural area of India.
How does it flow?
We have two type of student in various schools. Many of them lack a foundation literacy. They can't read and write. So we are providing these children with Google AI learning tools, which is helping them to read. And we are teaching coding, machine learning, data science, robotics through the AI bus to their other students of grade 5 or 6 who have strong academic foundation or grade level knowledge. In short, AI on Wheel was at a two different level. One, it's helped the underperforming student to improve their academic, although AI learning tools, and second, it's helped the intellectual ones to learn the 21st century skills like robotics, data science. We have a proper team for the AI bus. It's include techno-savvy teachers, social worker, driver, attendant, and most important are the mentors from various fields who volunteers and contribute to this team, including my Better App Dr. Project App. We first identify the nearby government school, then we identify the students who are weak in reading, those who can't read. Currently, we are visiting 3 schools daily and teaching coding to the students of this school who are academically strong, and those who are underperformers, we are working to develop their reading skills through AI learning tools. Most important, every Saturday we visit various government schools around the city and conduct a 3 hours robotic workshop for the student. So in a year, almost we cover approximately 50 different government schools.